Professor Amitabh Chatterjee has retired as Senior Assistant Director from Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute, Calcutta, and is presently working as Emeritus Professor in Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, Calcutta. Professor Amitabh Chatterjee has published more than 80 plus articles in reputed journals in national and international journals, and his area of specialization is cancer biology. The topic of today's presentation is activated MMP2-like molecule and is regulated identified in plant world. I'd like to request Professor Amitabh Chatterjee to present his presentation. Thank you.
I'm Amitabh Chatterjee. I'm starting with your that 5th World Cancer Congress, especially for this one, exploring new horizons in cancer research and oncology. Okay, why? That is the reason. Okay, my second slide is I will show you 2 cartons. It is true, I'm very much interested in that protein, enzyme protein MMP2, which is very, very important in cell migration, as well as that is the reason it is involved in the cancer biology and angiogenesis. This is one carton where the main thing is, see the pro-MMP2 is becoming activated MMP2, having alpha V beta 3 and alpha 5 beta 1, 2 integrin receptors on the surface of the cell when the cells are migrating from the site A to site B. Our next slide shows that the literature said this is perhaps the mechanism of that MMP2 activation. This integrin receptor on the cell surface, alpha V beta 3, along with these molecules, MT1, catalytic amount of TIM2, MMP2, VGF, they are activated from pro to active MMP2. And this alpha 5 beta 1, another integrin receptor on the surface of the cell, through the cell signaling procedure, they help in secretion of the MMP2 from inside to outside. Now, I will not go more than this. I have to show you something which is very, very novel in this area of cancer biology. What we did, that I thought that perhaps in the plant kingdom, though it is a very hard to say, in the plant kingdom, is it MMP2-like molecule, mainly activated, is present? So we took several flowers, leaves, and many parts of the plants surrounding us, what we can see. Okay, that's why I showed you that slide, that several different types of flowers, their leaves, and their the petals we have extracted. And the reason we extracted in very simple physiological buffer in phosphate buffered saline, pH 7.4, thinking if we expose it to any organic solvent, if there is any factor, if it is lost, that is the reason. Now with that, we didn't have any probe. Only the probe was the MMP2 monoclonal antibody, bought it from USA company, and we did the ELISA, thinking anything could happen. What happened about the ELISA? Keeping a positive control of human serum, which is a very good, it's showing its MMP2. And when we did the extract of, in our West Bengal, we call it, I will tell you exactly the botanical name, it is called Gandal leaf. And those leaves express very good MMP2, not the pro, but the activated. I'll show you the picture. Then the bamboo leaf, wonderful. Activated MMP2, they extract. But these are all MMP2 activated, I would say, like molecule, not exactly the vertebrate MMP2. We wanted to prove everything. But because of the COVID problem, it's more than 1.5 years, the university, laboratory, everything is closed. And in between, we have a very bad Amphan problem. And that create a havoc in Calcutta and West Bengal, and we are just limping back to give you the up-to-date informations. Then we use the petunia flowers, and these flowers, when we extracted that, wonderfully it gives them ELISA. It's very positive. Then we use the aster flowers, wonderful. It is giving me the very good. See this, I am showing in this slide, so 11 different types of flowers and leaves. But in these 3, I don't get so much activated band, but here I get in 7 or 8 or 10 different activated bands. Now, still I have to show you very important slides, because I said something which is reducing this activation MMP2 completely, that we have identified in guava leaf extract. But to isolate and identify the molecule, we still couldn't do that. That is our fault, because of the closure of the university and the COVID problem, and also the Amphan. Now here, you give attention to this slide. Everything what you show, what you see is gelatinase activity. The MMP2, whether it is pro or activated, we always get the first lane is the Bambusa balqua leaves, means bamboo leaves simply. And then several other different type of plant extract. We did the zymogram, we developed the zymogram. But here, what we get in the Bambusa balqua is specifically 3 bands and also a fourth band. And we kept that as a control. And with that, just to prove whether it is a MMP-like molecule or not, what we did, this legend will tell you, in 1 microgram per ml EDTA solution, we submerge the whole gel, and there is no activity. That's why I presented this slide. There is no activity. Now here is the most important slide. Out of different plant leaves, flowers, petals, and other parts extract, we are selecting these 3. One is Bambusa balqua, one is Gandalpata leaf extract, and another is Petunia flower. We get very good ELISA reading with MMP2 monoclonal antibody. That starts we are thinking, is it a MMP2 activated, MMP2-like molecule in the plant world? But we wanted to do the primary amino acid sequence of the vertebrate MMP2 and the plant MMP2, but we had to stop everything for the time being. Hope by the next meeting we can show you. Now I kept intentionally this slide blank, because I have to tell you a short story. That story is I presented this in 2018, not every slide, but in CA breast, we get very good activated MMP2 bands. And I am showing you this slide because this lane is showing that as if it is too much activity in 1 CA breast. But when we remove by surgery the CA breast, the activity is not so much. Now, when we developed on immunoblot with MMP2 monoclonal antibody, we got a very specific MMP2 bands here. But after the surgery, we didn't get so bright MMP2 Western blot. Okay. Now, what we did, till the last slide, I got an invitation from the international conference in USA, in Boston, and I presented there those slides. And what their senior scientists of different university told me, when will you be back, you show us the different control, and this you should do. It's very interesting result. When I did, when I came back, saliva of patients suffering from disease other than cancer, from a very reputed hospital, keeping a collaboration with oncologists, we took all the saliva. But I don't see any activated MMP2 band there. Now, in the next slide, saliva of cancer patients, but other than CA breast. There, I don't see anything. It is completely blank, I have to say, excepting I'm showing you 10 different samples. But I did more than 50 different controls, everything I can show you in the slides, okay? Now I'm showing you this because here is the most important thing is coming, because we have used that saliva of breast cancer patients as the source of MMP2 here. And what you see here, that when we prepared a PBS extract of the guava leaves, then with those leaves, when we incubated this sample of human MMP2, we get appreciable reduction. This is another sample, this is another sample, this is another sample. And also the immunoblot shows a strong expression of MMP2, okay? This is another sample, but here it looks like complete inhibition. And what we did with another sample, which shows the activated MMP2, we added the guava leaf extract in 10, 5, 10, 20 microliter. And it looks like it's perhaps gradually, completely abolishing the MMP2 activity, which is a very, very good news, but I couldn't finish my experiments. Now, what we did after this human MMP2 or vertebrate MMP2, actually, I did one experiment with the MMP2 available from the plant world. And what I see that here is unrelated banana leaves extract, which is not showing the complete inhibition, but here it is showing the complete inhibition in case of this bamboo leaf extract, where these bands most probably activated MMP2-like molecule. Then another 2 plant extract that shows, one is the Gandal Pata, which is P. foetida is botanical name, and another one is Nasturtium, which is T. majus. Both of them are showing practically complete inhibition when we are incubating with the guava leaf extract. Now here, the left side experiment, till we did that time, COVID problem came and everything is closed, but somehow we did that experiment that here we started the reacting the solution with proteinase K to identify what could the molecule, is it protein in nature or something else? Just the question we asked, though we have to do many experiments. That what we did with proteinase K, here complete inhibition, but when we treat that with proteinase K, as if it is coming back. It perhaps tell us it could be a protein in nature, but this experiment we couldn't finish. That's why I'm not showing you. And we do that ELISA, very good ELISA reading we got, keeping a positive and negative control. It is giving very good Western blot, immunoblot. We reported that in Journal of Tumor, identification of vertebrate MMP2 and MMP9 like molecule in aqueous extract of this. Yes. Then what we thought that this factor, which we couldn't identify yet, if it is inhibitory in nature, is it a very similar to TIM2-like molecule? We did only one ELISA because I had the TIM2 molecule, TIM2 monoclonal antibody, but I didn't get any ELISA reading with the TIM2 molecule. If it is only it is true, it is against the vertebrate TIM2. But when we did, the MT1-MMP is a famous Nature publication that is the most prime important molecule to keep MMP2 from pro to activated form. So Dr. Seiki or Professor Seiki is famous for that because of his Nature publication. And what we see that it really gave a good OD in ELISA in MT1 MMP like molecule is present there. This much I can tell you, but we have to do many experiments. So in conclusions, what we can say, the plant-derived active MMP2-like molecule may help in further study. The polyclonal and monoclonal antibody could be developed against these activated MMP2-like molecule if they are the same. Always there is something in the bracket. The antibody column could be developed for affinity chromatography to purify active MMP2, yet we have to do. The plant-derived active MMP2 could be a very rich alternative source of vertebrate MMP2 if they are the same. To isolate, identify the active MMP2 inhibitor in guava leaves extract, this is our due work, though we have a very, very small evidence. To prove whether the MMP2 inhibitor is TIM2 or a new inhibitor, and what I didn't add, that is a very, very important, that if it is MMP2, an MMP2 inhibitor-like molecule is a regulator of MMP2, then in future, the cancer patients, the cancer management may get help from this. So with these informations, I have to say for this year's that thank you everyone, because we want to do many things, but this COVID problem and in between the Damphon problem has created a havoc in our Kolkata and West Bengal. So we are just limping back, I said. I will try to present something if I can in the next year, if I present the WCC. Thank you very much.